Hi everyone, I hope you are well. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more video content. Thank you everybody. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of a and b when 2a square minus 2b square is equal to 98. We have given 2a square minus 2b square is equal to 98. Or taking common 2 to left side, we will get 2 times a square minus b square is equal to 98. Or divided by 2 to both side, we can write 2 times a square minus b square over 2 is equal to 98 over 2. Or this 2 cancel out this 2, so it will be remaining a square minus b square is equal to, here we can write 49. Or here we can use a algebra rule. The rule is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b is equal to 49. Now see, here are two factors, so 49 we can write 49 is equal to 1 times 49, or 49 times 1, or 7 times 7, or minus 7 times minus 7. But attention here, a plus b is greater than a minus b, so it will be rejected. Now here are three cases. First case, we can write a plus b is equal to 49, then a minus b is equal to 1. Now adding these two equations, we will get 2a is equal to 50, or divided by 2 to both sides, we can write 2a over 2 is equal to 50 over 2. This 2 cancel out this 2, so the value of a is 25. When the value of a is 25, then a plus b is equal to 49. A is equal to 25, so we can write 25 plus b is equal to 49. Or taking this 25 to right side, we will get b is equal to 49 minus 25. So the value of b is equal to 24. Case number 2, when a plus b is equal to 7, then a minus b is equal to 7. Now adding these two equations, we can get 2a is equal to 14, or divided by 2 to both sides, we will write 2a over 2 is equal to 14 over 2. This 2 cancel out this 2, so the value of a is equal to 7. When the value of a is equal to 7, then a plus b is equal to 7. Here a is equal to 7, so we can write 7 plus b is equal to 7. Or taking this 7 to right side, we will get b is equal to 7 minus 7, so the value of b is equal to 0. Here third case, we will write a plus b is equal to minus 7 and a minus b is equal to minus 7. So we can write a plus b is equal to minus 7 and a minus b is equal to minus 7. Now adding these two equation, we will get this b cancel out this b, so a plus a is equal to 2a. Minus 7 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 14. Or now divided by 2 to both sides, we will get 2a over 2 is equal to minus 14 over 2. This 2 cancel out this 2, so the value of a is equal to minus 7. When the value of a is equal to minus 7, then we can write a plus b is equal to minus 7. Here a is equal to minus 7, so minus 7 plus b is equal to minus 7. Or taking this minus 7 to right side, we will get b is equal to minus 7 plus 7. So the value of b is equal to 0. So here the value of a and b is equal to, when a is equal to 25, then b is equal to 24. 25, 24. When a is equal to 7, then b is equal to 0. And when a is equal to minus 7, then b is equal to 0. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.